Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Creating with Mrs Vee, and in today's video I'm going to be decorating my ottoman slash coffee table. And this video is part of the $5 Goodwill challenge that's being hosted by Hillary over at Old World Home, and she does this seasonally. And what she asked us to do is take $5 and find a decor item in the thrift store, Goodwill, yard sale, any type of secondhand store, and decorate your home with it. You can leave it as is, or you can DIY it. So I'm featuring this beautiful vase here that I picked up from the Goodwill about 2 years ago for like $1.50. So you see how thick it is. So I've got a little trick here. I'm gonna be decorating it with some faux florals, and you saw I put 3 pieces of masking tape across the top. I got that tip from someone on Instagram, and that helps the florals sit in place. So as you can see, I've changed my mind. I was gonna do the fall bouquet I picked up from Walmart, but I decided to do these beautiful hydrangeas that I picked up from Dollar Tree. And so this is how it's looking right now. So I want to go ahead and thank Hillary for hosting this challenge. It's always fun. It's always good to save money because I'm all about no spend right now because I'm on a budget. So this beautiful clock, my sister gave it to me, and so that's what I'm going to use as part of my decor. So since it was looking a little skimpy, I decided to go ahead and layer it with another one of the layered trays that I picked up from Home Goods. These came in a set of 3. And so I like that better, so you don't have so much dead space. And you know I'm all about simplicity, so this is fine for me. So this is it. This is the end of this video. I just want to show you some simple ways to decorate your home. And on this channel, Miss V is inspiring you to do it yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.